Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you a simple workaround to create a Facebook app on your Mac. Since there's no official Facebook app for Mac OS, we'll use a quick trick to make a shortcut that looks and behaves like a real app, and you can even pin it to your dock. Let's get started. First open your web browser and go to www.ccceebbd Once the page loads, click and drag the URL from the address bar to your desktop. This will create a shortcut to Facebook. Now, if you double-click this shortcut, it'll open Facebook in your browser, but let's make it look more like an actual app. To do that, go to macasacons.com. In the search bar, type Facebook and choose an icon you like. Download the icon to your computer. Next, right-click, or command-click, the Facebook shortcut on your desktop and select Get Info. In the Info window, drag the downloaded icon onto the small icon at the top left corner. This will replace the default icon with the Facebook one. You can also rename the shortcut to Facebook by clicking on its name and entering the new one. Finally, drag the shortcut into your dock to keep it easily accessible. Now, whenever you click it, Facebook will launch in your default browser, just like an app. And that's it. You've successfully created a Facebook app on your Mac. This same method works for other websites too, like Gmail, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, and more. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.